In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit pipeline in Go High Level. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access your pipeline, rename and organize stages, and control what shows up in your reports so your sales process stays clean and accurate. Start by opening your browser and searching for Go High Level. From the results, choose the official site so you're logging into the correct platform. On the home page, select the option to log into the app. Enter your account email and password, or use Sign In with Google if that's enabled for your workspace. Make sure you're on a secure connection and only use your own credentials. Once you're in, look for the option that says, "Click here to switch," then select the specific account or sub-account you want to work in. This ensures you're editing the right pipeline for the right location. If you don't see the account you expect or can't edit, you may need appropriate permissions from your administrator. Next, go to Opportunities in the left sidebar. Opportunities is where your leads and deals live, and your pipeline defines the stages they move through. At the top of the Opportunities screen, click the Pipelines tab. Here you'll see your existing pipelines. Find the one you want to work on and click the pencil or Edit icon to open the editor. To rename a stage, click directly into the stage's text box and type the new name. Keep stage names short, clear, and action-oriented, like qualified or proposal sent, so your team understands exactly where each opportunity belongs. To create a new step in your sales process, click plus Add Stage and give it a descriptive title. Consider where this stage fits logically and what criteria must be met before a deal moves into it. If a stage is no longer needed, click the trash can icon next to it to delete it. Be cautious here. Removing a stage can impact any opportunities currently sitting in it, so confirm that you truly want it gone before proceeding. To reorder stages, use the 6-dot handle to the left of a stage name and drag it to the correct position. Arrange your stages in the same order your process actually follows, from left to right, so your team can work efficiently. Use the Visible in Chart and Visible in Funnel toggles to control whether each stage appears in your dashboard reporting. This is helpful for hiding internal or transitional steps from high-level charts while keeping your data clean. When you're satisfied, click Save at the bottom. Your pipeline changes are now applied and ready for your team to use.